Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking your Discord bot to the next level. So far, we've been using regular prefix-based commands, but now it's time to dive into slash commands, which have become the standard for Discord bots. I'll show you how to set them up, register them, and handle interactions so your bot feels modern and professional. By the end of this tutorial, your bot will be fully ready to use slash commands like a pro. All right, so here's everything we wrote in the previous videos. If you haven't watched the previous videos, make sure to check them out. So today, we'll learn how to register, create, and use slash commands. All right, so first, I'll remove all of this so we have a clean space to work in. So now, how do we register slash commands? So for that first, we have to create a slash command, right? So I go here and write const commands, and then open an array where I'll use slash command builder, which is provided by discord.js to create slash commands. So again, to use slash command builder, we need to define it. So I go here and define slash command builder, and now I'll write new slash command builder. And by doing this, we are creating a new slash command builder. Remember, we're only creating it, not registering it yet, all right? So after creating it, we now need to give the slash command a name and description. So for that, we'll write set name and ping. This will be the name of your slash command. And for description, we'll write set description and write a description like replies with ping. And that's it. We've created our slash command, but to register it, we still need to write a bit more code. So we want that as soon as the bot runs. Any new commands should get registered. So here, if you see, we are using the ready event, and this whole thing runs as soon as the bot starts. So right here, after the bot is now online message, we'll write the command registration code, and I've given the link to the official documentation in the description where you can see how to register and all that. But I'll explain it here too, so you won't need to check it. So to register commands, we need to use rest and routes. So I'll go here and define rest and routes first, and then come here and create a variable const res equals new rest, and then rest version, which is the latest 10, and then set token. We need to give it the bot token so it can register. So I'll give process.env.bot_token because our bot token is there and this will access it. Then we'll use try and catch, which I've explained in the JavaScript series. So in try, we'll first put a console log that tells us whether the registration process has started or not. So we'll write a registering slash commands. And then we'll use await rest.put, and then use routes.application commands. And now inside it, we need to provide the bot ID. So for the bot ID, simply go to Discord, right? Click on your bot, and you'll see the copy ID option. Just copy it and come back to Visual Studio Code and paste it here. And then we need to give it a body, which means the commands we want to register. So for that inside curly brackets, write body and give it the commands array we created above. That's it. And then simply console.log/commands registered and in the catch. Just throw the error if there's any issue. And that's it. Now, save the file, open the terminal, and run the bot. And now if I go to Discord and type /ping, see, no command is showing up. And even if we click the bot, no slash command badge is visible. That's because Discord API takes some time to register commands. So here's a tip. Just refresh your Discord by pressing Control-Shift-R, and your Discord will reload. And as soon as it opens again, if I click on the bot, you'll see the slash command badge is now visible. And if I now type /ping, you'll see the slash command we created with the name we set is showing up. And the description is also visible. So let's run it. Oops, what's this? It says interaction failed. And this might feel similar to the button video because when we clicked a button, we got something like this when we didn't handle its interaction. And this is the same reason here as well, because we have created and registered the slash command, but we haven't handled its interaction yet. And slash commands also trigger the interaction create event whenever they run. So now we want that when someone runs this command, they should get a Pong reply. So for that, we go to our Visual Studio Code, and I'll write the same thing client dot on interaction create and open an async arrow function, and then I'll write await interaction dot reply and pong. That's it. Now, if I save the file and go back to Discord and run the command, again, you can see it's working perfectly. So yeah, I hope you learned a lot today. And if I show you Visual Studio Code, you can see it's very messy. Everything is happening inside index.js. We're registering commands here, handling interactions here, and also creating slash commands here, which we don't want. So in the next video, we'll convert this entire package into an advanced handler. And by the way, make sure to join our Discord because we regularly host a lot of events, challenges, and giveaways there. And you also get daily coding related tasks. So make sure to join it